Master the use of parentheses. Abbreviations and Acronyms Explained. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of parentheses. Specifically, we'll look at how we use parentheses to introduce abbreviations and acronyms in our sentences. This simple yet powerful use of parentheses can greatly improve your written English communication skills. Before we jump into abbreviations and acronyms, it's important to understand what parentheses are. Parentheses, also known as round brackets, are punctuation marks that are used to include extra information in sentences. They look like this. Abbreviations and acronyms are a common part of English language. Abbreviations are shortened versions of words or phrases. For example, doctor is an abbreviation for doctor. An acronym, on the other hand, is a word formed from the initial letters of a name or phrase. For example, NASA is an acronym for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. One common use of parentheses is to introduce abbreviations or acronyms. This helps to make your writing clear and concise. Here's how it's done. When you first use an abbreviation or acronym in a piece of writing, you should write out the full term, followed by the abbreviated form in parentheses. For instance, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, promotes international collaboration through educational, scientific, and cultural reforms. After you've introduced the abbreviation or acronym, you can use the shorter form in the rest of your writing. Let's put this into practice. Try writing a sentence in which you introduce an abbreviation or an acronym using parentheses. Remember, the key is to first write the full term and then put the abbreviation or acronym in parentheses. And that wraps up our lesson on how to use parentheses to introduce abbreviations and acronyms. With this handy tool in your English toolbox, you'll be better equipped to write clearly and concisely. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, keep practicing. Until next time, happy learning!